of Karnataka, meanwhile, is also witnessing a surge in cases of the new JN.1 variant with 479 active cases at the present. With the New Year's Eve just around the corner, the State Health Department has also issued directions for additional precautionary steps that need to be taken. Tests will also be conducted for all the symptomatic close contacts of COVID positive individuals across the state. Government doctors or other paramedic staff are also asked to assess those that are under home isolation since this entire surge has started. Even as we speak right now, 400 people are under home isolation as per the government figures. While no restrictions have been imposed on the New Year festivities, the health department has asked hospitals to boost readiness and to make dedicated COVID wards in case of a spike. Neha, in fact, continues to stay on the broadcast with us. Neha, give us a sense of what's happening in Karnataka. We are, of course, seeing a very unique trend here. On some days, the cases are going up. On some days, there is some sort of a stagnancy. Give us a sense of the COVID situation in Karnataka, the tally that is coming in right now, and also the steps that are being taken by the state government.
Well, yes, Ashish, Karnataka was one of the first states to impose measures even during the previous two waves of COVID that we've witnessed as a state. And even this time around, we're seeing that, measures have been ramped up as cases in Karnataka, the neighboring state of Tamil Nadu and the neighboring state of Kerala are going up. We're seeing that the government too, of course, is increasing its vigil. Now we're picking up that, all primary contacts of COVID-19 positive patients will be tested immediately. As far as patients in home isolation is concerned, all of them, in fact, would be visited by a government or a BBMP doctor for that matter. A close tab would be kept on those in home isolation as well. More importantly, we're seeing that, of course, government facilities over here at the hospitals are being ramped up. But what remains to be seen right now is, will this be enough to spread, to curb the spread of COVID-19? We've seen that so far as stringent measures in public gatherings or other places are concerned, there hasn't really been any very strict measure that's been imposed by the government. These decisions that have come in are after a meeting with the COVID Technical Advisory Committee. As far as further measures are concerned, the government, of course, has said that they would keep a close tab and they would hold meetings with the TAC and then take a call on this. Right now, there's no need to panic is what the government said, but it's important to be vigilant and be cautious.